Welcome back to Superior Sunrise. With me now, Tate Verleer of AgRisk Advisors. Tate, thank you so much for coming on this morning. You've been on Sunrise before. It's been a little while, but give us just a good refresh. What is AgRisk Advisors, and what are some of the services that you guys offer?
Yeah, so at AgRisk Advisors, we offer advice and strategies for price and production risk management solutions, primarily tailored towards livestock operations. And we've been doing it a long time, and we sure enjoy our customers and helping them out. Folks across the High Plains and the West, we work to make sure that they can get to the next year with a risk management strategy in place.
We were talking earlier with John Jeffrey. He was talking about products you can use in a herd in terms of health as this drought is coming in. And looking on, the business making decision sides, what are some solutions that you offer to producers as we're starting to experience the effects of this drought?
Well, drought is definitely a concern. I wish it was abating in more areas than it has so far. But there's a couple of products under the federal crop insurance umbrella that would work for producers trying to manage their precipitation risk. The pasture rangeland forage program, the annual forage insurance program, and there's also some private solutions out there as well. So really it's just about finding what works for the individual producer and trying to put a plan together for them. But those are a couple of them.
You also offer some services specifically tailored to those small commercial producers. When talking about that LRP insurance, kind of talk to us about what that policy is for a small producer.
Mm-hmm. Well, livestock risk protection, or LRP insurance, was really made with smaller producers in mind. It's been around for 20 years now, and we've been working with it for at least 15. And it's more recently gotten popular because of some of the additional flexibilities that have been built into it. But when I say it's really aimed at small producers, it's because it allows you to insure the value of your animals on a per head basis. And so, a lot of guys coming here to Superior today are working to put together load lots, and they're able to do that for producers that maybe aren't able to put together load lots of uniform cattle. This is one way to set a price for them that is going to give them some protection for however long they need it.
And real quick, just before we go, we have just a little bit of time left. You and I were talking. You guys offer that quote. You give a daily quote on the LRP. What would you suggest to somebody who isn't enrolled in this program to do so that they can get in on that price when they need it?
Mm-hmm. Well, so livestock risk protection, there's a chance that you could call the same day and secure a coverage price that's offered, but more likely it's best to just have an application in the system so that the insurance company knows who you are when you call wanting coverage. And the offers are sent out daily. We have a service that, to my knowledge, is the only one like it, and we provide anybody that is interested in following the daily LRP offers a handy email that's based on the cattle that they own, and then that way they can get in touch with us when they see something that works for them.
Well, thank you so much, Tate. Be sure and contact Tate or anybody in the AgRisk Advisors office if you're looking to mitigate risk in your operation. When we come back, Charlie Cummings joins us to close out the show.